The TV's Jupiter is more than just a scooter, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Designed with precision and crafted for excellence, it stands as a testament to innovation and style. Every curve, every detail is meticulously designed to enhance your riding experience. The moment you lay your eyes on it, you feel an aura of sophistication and power. The sleek design, complemented by vibrant color options, makes a bold statement on the road. It's not just about looks, the Jupiter is engineered for superior performance and comfort. It's the perfect blend of style, power, and practicality. When you ride the TV's Jupiter, you experience the smoothness of its refined engine, delivering power effortlessly while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. The advanced CVT transmission ensures seamless acceleration, making every ride enjoyable. Whether you're navigating through city traffic or cruising on highways, the Jupiter responds with agility and precision. Its powerful engine offers a perfect balance of performance and economy, ensuring a thrilling yet cost-effective ride. It's designed for those who demand more from their everyday commute. The Jupiter is crafted to provide a riding experience that's smooth, powerful, and efficient, making every journey a pleasure. Comfort is at the core of the TV's Jupiter's design philosophy. Its ergonomic seating ensures a relaxed riding posture, reducing fatigue even on long rides. The spacious seat provides ample room for both the rider and the pillion, ensuring a comfortable journey for everyone. The well-cushioned seat and thoughtfully designed footrests add to the overall comfort, making the Jupiter an ideal choice for daily commuting as well as long rides. The telescopic front suspension absorbs road bumps effortlessly, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. Whether you're riding on city streets or uneven roads, the Jupiter guarantees a plush and comfortable experience. It's built to provide unmatched comfort on every journey. The TV's Jupiter is not just about performance and comfort, it's about intelligent design and practicality. It comes equipped with a host of smart features that make your rides more convenient and enjoyable. The intelligent digital console provides real-time information, keeping you informed at all times. The external fuel fill is a thoughtful addition, allowing you to refuel without having to lift the seat, saving you time and effort. The spacious under-seat storage lets you carry your essentials effortlessly, making the Jupiter perfect for everyday use. It also features a mobile charging port, ensuring your devices are always powered, no matter where you go. With such smart features, the Jupiter makes every ride more convenient and enjoyable. Safety is a priority, and the TV's Jupiter is designed to keep you secure on the road. It's equipped with advanced braking systems that provide excellent control and stability, ensuring safe rides in all conditions. The synchronized braking system ensures balanced braking, reducing stopping distance and enhancing safety. The powerful headlamp offers superior visibility at night, while the wide tires provide better grip and stability. The Jupiter's robust build quality and reliable safety features give you the confidence to ride safely and comfortably. It's designed to provide a secure and enjoyable riding experience, no matter the road or weather conditions. The TV's Jupiter's stylish design is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Its contemporary look, coupled with elegant chrome accents, exudes sophistication and style. The sleek body lines and dynamic front design give it a sporty yet elegant appearance. The vibrant color options let you express your personality, making the Jupiter a style statement on wheels. Its premium finish and attention to detail reflect class and elegance, ensuring you ride in style every time. It's not just a scooter, it's a reflection of your style and personality. The TV's Jupiter is crafted to make you stand out on every journey. With its powerful engine, advanced features, and elegant design, the TV's Jupiter is built to perform and impress. It's not just about commuting, it's about enjoying the journey with style and comfort. The refined engine delivers smooth acceleration, while the superior suspension ensures a plush ride. Its agile handling allows you to navigate through traffic effortlessly, making city rides more enjoyable. The Jupiter's advanced features and intelligent design add to its practicality, making it the perfect companion for modern urban living. Whether you're heading to work, meeting friends, or exploring the city, the Jupiter enhances every experience. The TV's Jupiter is built to last, with high-quality components and robust construction that ensure long-term durability. Its low maintenance cost and excellent fuel efficiency make it a cost-effective choice for everyday commuting. The refined engine is designed for optimal performance and longevity, delivering consistent power while ensuring fuel economy. Its sturdy frame and reliable build quality ensure a safe and durable riding experience. The Jupiter's superior engineering and thoughtful design make it a scooter that you can rely on for years to come. It's not just a purchase, it's an investment in quality and reliability. The TV's Jupiter is designed to complement your dynamic lifestyle. Its agility and maneuverability make it perfect for navigating through busy city streets, while its stability and power provide a comfortable ride on highways. The superior suspension system absorbs road shocks, ensuring a smooth and comfortable journey. The Jupiter adapts to your needs, offering a comfortable and enjoyable ride, whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or going on a leisure ride. It's crafted for those who live life to the fullest, making every journey a memorable experience. The Jupiter is designed for modern urban living, offering the perfect blend of power, style, and convenience. The TV's Jupiter is more than just a scooter, it's a lifestyle choice. It represents freedom, style, and independence. It empowers you to explore the world with confidence and comfort. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a senior citizen, the Jupiter is designed to cater to your unique needs. Its user-friendly features and comfortable design make it suitable for riders of all ages. It's a scooter that adapts to your lifestyle, complementing your personality and preferences. The Jupiter is not just about getting from one place to another, it's about enjoying the journey with grace and style. With its elegant design, powerful performance, and intelligent features, the TV's Jupiter stands out as a leader in its segment. It's a scooter that redefines mobility, offering a perfect balance of power, comfort, and convenience. Its premium features, stylish design, and exceptional performance make it a scooter that's crafted to impress and perform. The TV's Jupiter is a celebration of freedom, style, and performance. It's not just a scooter, it's a statement of sophistication and elegance. It's a reflection of your lifestyle, a companion that enhances your daily experiences. The TV's Jupiter is truly a masterpiece on wheels, designed to make every ride memorable and enjoyable.